Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Eh?
Yeah, I buck up D and what's your name? D and your girl down there, man.
Esther.
Esther.
Okay.
Drop them down a trench store nowadays, you know. Them say, you up keen up for me, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I want to link, man. Here, pal.
Official.
I want to link, man.
Cool,
Yeah.
man. Big up. That is it.
Never know who that buck up.
Jaja. Well, guys, I'm here. I was Spice. You know, I have to come back where the title is right, you know. I have to come back. So, well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome back. So, I'm here at I was Spice. You know, the food nice. There from the block. Right.
Everything I tell you, you have someone.
Aye.
String beef, pumpkin, stir fry, yeah man, yeah. You have fruit, right? Fruit there, two chickpeas. You forget that you roast food and okra and them things. You got all of them things.
All of the rare.
Yeah. And the real thing I get, but I $15 pay. You want to?
Yeah, man, I have to buy this. I like them coming up. Hold up.
No.
No.
I mean, I just left America and I tell them, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, me about it.
Yeah. Aye.
You know, so we tell them, and I say, well, I'm paying man. Yeah, the boss, you know, man. Yeah, man, general, man.
One family. Why I've been waiting for this food, man. I tell them I'm gone for too long.
Oh, you've been out for a while?
Yeah, I've been out for a while.
That's right. So you back, man.
Yeah.
Look up for
Been out for a while, brother.
Alright, okay.
All my talk about over there, I was Spice. See the money I watch and I see what I go on.
When you're going to come down to a jungle,
Yeah.
so drop it down now, share Esther.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, isn't it? Yeah, man. And you give me a little piece for the video. See, tell them, say, oh, you will go for the piece. Now, watch your family. Love the work we have. Yeah, man. Right.
Jungle.
Yeah.
I wonder what for Jungle is what you program to, you know, because all for them do over say, you know.
Yeah,
man, all for them.
1 link.
I was a kid, I always see you driving past my place, you know, I see you drive on no man's land, I live just up the road from no man's land. Pick up yourself, pride.
Yeah, John. Yeah, man, I'm not telling a lie, man. Never know who last year, man. Up to last time I watch it now.
Yeah.
One way I said, buy America.
Yeah,
man.
Over there, man, isn't it? I said you to work, man.
Yeah, man.
Cause you watch and say, yo, you meet me, you meet Esther. You're not me Kino yet.
I'm not Kino yet. How many times, sir? I'm dropping right on the block. Yeah, my boy shot, man.
Yeah, man. Right outside there.
Easy enough, man. Easy enough, man. One enough.
A lot of people tell me, man, they say, no, it's Kino, you know.
Yeah,
I said, what, now, my Kino, what you on me, man? Yeah, man.
One eyeball.
Yeah, man.
One food eyeball.
So you have the witness there? That chocolate and busy there? Yeah. That chocolate and busy now.
Chocolate and busy.
And a portion of platinum go on munch for now.
Much blood.
2 portions, 2 servings.
What kind of busy that?
You know busy, man?
Busy where I drink?
Yeah, it's on chocolate.
Yeah.
Bad, you know. Yeah, man, good for you. Chocolate and busy.
Yeah.
And you have all this quake. That slice of this quake too. More right now. The press one. Press one. Press one.
Green one.
Yeah, green one.
That's how much you have.
Give me 2 servings.
Mike, you're on that.
Yeah.
You're on that. You know, tomorrow I'm going to watch and see myself.
Yeah, go see yourself, man. Yeah, go see yourself, man, cause it's one.
Yeah, because we always do my upload, man.
Yeah.
Eh? We have to start the run for me.
Chocolate?
No, not chocolate.
You want them straight? That bad with the chocolate, you know?
Yes, we're going to be idle enough. Have to
Today, I pop there, stop, same time me and stop.
I can't believe it. I can't see the stream, you know.
Yeah.
The brake light, you know. I can't kill it. You don't watch every day, that. You hear that?
And that today you feel for some.
Them feel right. I'm going to stop yourself from years. Years, you're going to stop yourself from.
So the engine work, you know?
Yeah, man, right. It's a fun one. Right, it's a fun.
The 4th time.
Yeah.
Alright on, guys. I'm doing some fresh green plantain. It's quick. This is the starter. It's mine. Hot chocolate. It's busy. That through everything.
How much for your chance on the people?
Oh, achievement. Now we have achievements and all that.
You now try it.
Give me help you, man.
Yeah, man, I try.
It's like
Thank you. Right now, I want everything.
yeah, Jim. Small shop.
Look at this. Yeah, now, it's so well. Yeah, so it look when you get it.
Yeah, fun.
The whole entourage now.
Yeah, man. You know, I feel for that idea. Yeah, man. Right, that's something. Chicken or nothing. So, this one, today. Years, you know, from yourself.
Alright, well, one of them to hear. All in one.
Yeah, man.
Yo, everybody be woke up over them say, yo, I can't wait to come to iBus Spice.
Yeah, man.
Here iBus Spice, them say that breadfruit burger.
Yeah, tell them, everybody forward round there.
Breadfruit burger.
Yeah. Make it come to this place. Hey, Kino.
Breadfruit burger.
What are the breadfruit?
How you know about this place? Kino.
Yeah. People them want the health, they must search with the health, you know. They must search with the health. See that, the hot chocolate, you know, with the busy, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, if you go and sit before you eat that.
Yeah, that now.
It body all the cake.
Yeah,
It's not cake, it's called quake.
Such a little thing you have a video in a bag.
Yeah.
Think of something bigger than that, you know.
Yeah, man.
A little something that make the thing look so quality.
Yeah, man.
Yo, Jaja, yeah.
Remember him? And it's small, you know, the big.
Yes, I know how Christmas is about
GoPro.
Yeah.
I GoPro him after.
Like that.
I'm going to shoot the GoPro. I see him. I see him, man.
Yeah.
Right, so good to be back. Sorry, busy eating right now. We still have a big up cooler runnings. You know, cooler runnings, Ibo Spice. So, you know, whenever I'm in the USA, cooler runnings is the spot. You see me? And also check out Corey as well. So Corey's, but when I'm in Jamaica, Ibo Spice is the spot. Our living foods. Red I love. You need to come to Jamaica, come try out this stuff. Definitely. Cooler runnings, you know, you think of your Ibo Spice, you tap the chart. Alright. Pumpkin tea. That's it, look man, beautiful.
Man, love it already.
Yeah.
Man.
Chickpeas, stew.
Yeah.
You know what that as well do again? Beetroot.
Yeah.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Everything has been added. All the beans them.
Tell me I want chicken and fish and nothing today.
Nothing.
This no one for.
Everything in that.
Everything for.
Yeah. Why, but much can't eat everything one time, but I'll take it today. You know, nobody miss everything. All the lightning, the man them swarm the lightning and say all the lightning, the man them swarm the lightning and down the lightning over there. Let's go on.
Wicked. Wicked bag. Right. But you know?
Yeah. And that's everything in that everybody ever needs, brother.
Everything you need.
Yeah. Yeah, bug up and ground food, everything in there.
Yeah, man.
You want to try the herbal lane? It's like lemonade. I'm a spot this man, you know, see what I go on. Yeah, it's herbal lane, no, it's come like lemonade, but you make it with vervine and fever grass and everything there. But eat it and drink it, man. Well done. Remember the thing in him.
Send out the man.
Big up yourself.
You know what thing go, yeah?
Alright, yeah. Guys, I'm not even lying, it's the chocolate and busy tea. So good. I'm telling you. Chocolate and busy, I really miss this stuff. Really good. I imagine, I don't even try the breadfruit burger. So I wish I could try everything right now. But, yeah. How I make like a roots? Oh, no one herbal yet as well. Herbalian.
Herbalian.
Herbalian. Oh yeah, you are one. Herbalian is here. Guys, we're out here downtown with Esther Campbell. Yeah, what is that? No,
I see him again.
You read the Bible? You don't know my name?
Esther.
alright.
You see, anti-demon, she we over the knees.
Yeah, we about to see there.
Like she not come and she done with you.
Yeah. Eh? Yeah.
So I come and
Big up yourself, man, every time, yeah? Happy New Year.
Yeah, man.
Happy New Year, you know? New Year done already? Alright. Happy New Day then. Alright, then, yeah? Yeah. Alright. Alright, guys, so they are going freelance downtown here, Esther. You know? We're window shopping. Yeah, with them Esther eye. What? Oh. Think of an.
No.
I show Esther tall and I'm short.
No, in front of you, and she the behind, where they went.
Yeah.
No, I'm going to bring it.
Look here. Yeah, brown one there. Yeah. Later, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Okay, so we're doing here going freestyle with Esther. We want to look about, you know? Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. You know, the thing going to another day, and we're here in Trenchtown. It's that day, you know, so good day, good afternoon, or good morning, or good evening, anywhere you are, or anywhere you're watching it from. You know, so you know it's that day, you know, most of the members, them, you know, they can't work today, you know, because I got some donation for some individuals that I received while I was over there in the Bronx. You know, but only some of them is here still, so we got some for like Father for the Year and like Philip as well too, and Scanner, you know, so I'm gonna go around and give out some donation today. So Natisha and the Wow Chef is on the road as well, so the Wow Chef gonna put in some work, you know, doing his regular duty, and can get him ends meet, and also who else now? Natisha, yes, so Natisha and the Wow Chef is not here, so let's go give. So we have so we have Boom in the building. We have Boom here. We also have donation for Boom. Yeah, Boom also one. We have Rasta Jackson.
Yeah, love every time. Yeah, love every time. More love. Huh?
Yeah, we also have for Smile them as well. You know, while them.
Hi.
You know, we have Bumming Ball is here. You know, so first let me give out this donation quick and fast. Yo, you sir.
Pop.
You miss.
Quick and fast.
Alright then, so we have a donation here for Esther. You know, from Tavares. Robert Tavares from New York. We have $50 here. From Robert Tavares.
Thanks, my friend Robert. I really appreciate it. We're gonna talk here.
Yeah.
I thank you better off the year.
Yeah.
I don't want to hear me, I thank you.
Alright then, so Tavares, you know that we already in Robert Tavares. You know. I also have one. Yeah. I also have another one for you from. This is from Pauline. She's in Florida. You know, she's the one, she's a big fan of it. Yeah.
Oh, my Sarah, man.
Yeah, man. And she says, send $100 for Esther.
I know me that ask her, she send them for me because she said, you know, I have to send some for Esther. Me that ask her, send me a wait first.
Yeah.
Don't send me wait.
$100 from Pauline.
And thanks for the love, I really feel it. I really appreciate you. Thanks a lot.
Alright, also $50 worth from Tavares for Smile them, you know, while them. $50 US here for you.
Thank you very much, Tavares, and I hope your food basket never empty, and I really do appreciate it.
Yeah. I also have one as well too from Country, as well too from White Plains Road, from the Bronx.
In quiet?
Yeah, Country no speak. So that's $50 US there for you from Country.
Thank you very much. Them saying a talk, but when you meet me, you will talk. Thank you very much, and I hope your food basket never empty.
Yeah, so you will get him to talk.
Of course, I know how to get him to talk.
Yeah, Country, hear that, you know, once you come here, if you don't talk, Smile will get you to talk.
Yes.
So don't worry. She have that WD-40 for you. She have that WD-40. So over here now we have Rasta Boom. You know. With it, it's a pass out the plastic around the so. One small see-through pouch. Yeah. We also have that as well to feel Rasta Boom. You know, from Our Love. You know, I got this from Our Love. So this is the first thing we get to when the barrel reach.
Yeah, I'm super short about it.
Yeah, from a long distance thing right. So we have this from Our Love, you know, for you as well too.
I love blessed and one loving and thanks, yeah, very much. Blessed.
Alright. Yeah. And you also have $20 worth from Our Love himself, you know, from the Bronx.
Yeah. Bronx, I love blessed and thanks. One more time. Love. Yeah. Thanks.
And we have $60 worth more for you from Angela from Bronx. You know, this is 60 US here for you. Angela from Bronx.
Angela from Blanc. One love. And blessed. Thanks, yeah? Yeah, Angela, blessed and one love. Thanks for this.
I have a donation here as well to know for Rasta Jackson. You know, we also have $20 worth from Our Love. You know, same Our Love, you know.
Every time, blessed.
One love, our love.
One love every time, family. Enough love, respect, Rastafari. Love every time,
Yeah.
Love every time,
Alright, I will also have. This is the first donation I receive, you know, as I reach. And Our Love, me and them go to the restaurant and somebody see me. First donation I get off Rasta Jackson from Triple Deuce. You know, the restaurant, they keep the meet and greet as well too. But this one is anonymous. Them saying don't want no name to be calling. You know, so this is 100 US. I'm the first person, yo, the Rasta Jackson they see me when you reach down. You know, 100 US from anonymous from Triple Deuce.
Yeah, more love family, every time family, respect. More love Rastafari, love every time, Yes, family guy don't protect every time, love you every time,
He know himself, you know, from Triple Deuce. I know say you know yourself, you know your thing already. As I reach in the man say, Kino, what go on? I look at him say, think good. Man say, yeah man. Man say, yo, the Rasta Jackson they see me when you go down. Boom! First one!
More love family. Every time, family.
Every time. So guys, so I'm saying we give thanks for the donation, you know, for who's here now. You know, Worship is not here and Natisha as well too. You know, we're supposed to get donation. I'm going to see Father for the ear as well too. So big up yourself, Our Love. You know, nothing but love. I love alone. When you say Our Love, I love alone. You know, country, big up yourself. Robert Tavares. Blessings and big up to you all the time. Anonymous. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone. Right? So here's Jackson.
Every time, more love every time. Dream Team love you. Every time we say Dream Team love you. More love, yes. Rastafari guide and protect every time going out and coming in. Smiley, Esther, all of you, be love, Dream Team. One team. Yeah, we love you.
Smiley, sending out your love.
Yes, so big up all of the extended families again. Thanks for your donation one more time. I hope your food basket never empty. Blessed love, everyone.
Esther.
Love and love alone. Thanks, I really appreciate it.
Boom.
I live on Kala. Now for now, left for no thing. You don't know your mother and father. One love like cook food. All of the door and them love. Blessed, one love.
Alright. So we give thanks. So stay tuned. We're going to see Father for the ear. You know, and give them also a donation. So blessed love. One day. Father for the ear. Father for the ear.
Elko boy.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. It's been a while. Everything good. Cool, man. What's your neck there? Oh, she beard. Alright, how long? How long before she done beard? Yeah. Stacey, how is everything?
They are good and everything.
How is the new year?
Good for me and blessing. The same thing we got I do in my life, you can do for the team then.
I don't do that.
Yeah, man.
Hallelujah, praise the Lord.
Only just keep up the good work, love one another, and spread the love. Nothing wrong, you know, the team, you know. But some understanding. Nothing wrong. Yeah, man. You see what God have in store for you at this year. So no line up on yourself. Who you go look for, where them you go look for, you go look about it.
Yes, sir. This year, the year.
This year are the ear and my ear too.
My
Ear and my ear. Blessings. Yeah, man. Big up the exit family, them, the donors, the dream team. See, us just want to live good, love one another, and just what?
Yo, brother, relax. What's wrong with you?
Michael, sit down. And just watch how God work. Yeah, man. Just to love, you know. Just to love, you know. Just to love. And stop the war and it now make it. Me know y'all war with my mother. And when me look in myself, say, me stop war with her, me forgive her. People do me a sort of things and me forgive them. And see me, you know, my time now, 2025, rise up!
Rise up.
My turn, my turn.
What you gonna say? Kaya, why your mom? What you say?
Hallelujah.
That's it? Sing a church song. You're full of energy though. That's it? You play ball. Alright, Stacy. That's Stacy. You know, we know Stacy already. You're in chips and chips. Listen, her son got so much energy. You know, like he's got so much energy. And we have Shannon. How you doing? You're fine. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you
and everyone.
and everyone across the globe.
Where's your sister Ben?
She's taking a shower.
She's taking a shower. And the next one, she's gonna have her brother. Okay. It's been a while. You know, I got a book here for you. Let me see. I think I got the name. I read this quick and fast though. This one is for Cranberry. And this one is for Shanette from Miss Ava. I know you're gonna read this quick and fast. So this is from Miss Ava, you know, from Florida. She also sent this book here for you.
Read the first part of this.
Here. So this is for you from Ava from Florida.
Thank you, Ava.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, Ava. Sometimes I love books. They kind of give me energy to read. Read out stories to myself and all this stuff.
Honest Sam.
Honest Sam.
So I guess you're gonna read this quick and fast, right?
Okay.
The first part.
You then check out the first page.
Read the first.
Oh, there you go. Honest Sam.
Okay. In a small town, there lived two boys named Sam and Kylie. One hot Sunday, while playing in Sam's backyard, the boys wondered what they could do as they went inside to get some lemonade. Kylie said, I bet I can build better than you. For time. Quickly, Kylie grabbed the controller and they began to play together. When Kylie began to lose and said, I'd rather go outside to play. Yeah, that's because you're losing, Sam replied. But I'm only 10 years old. I'm trying my best, Kylie processed. Sam said, clucking. Yeah, I know. So but if you rather go outside and play, that's fine too. I know I'm better than you at Fortnite. Well done. Tell them how old are you? How old are you now? I'm 10 years old. 10. And he says 10 in the book, right? See? I'm not a boy. I know, but he's 10 also, right? And you're 10. Look at that. Yeah, that's Esther. All this to me there. This is for someone else.
You get 85 not spelling.
She get 85 in spelling.
She can't find a page. She want to show you and you get 65 that spelling.
Wow, that is nice.
I tell her, say, that's not good to me.
Yeah.
Tell her, say, that's not good to me. 65 not good to me, yeah?
Yeah. The 100.
Yeah, 100.
So daddy say 100. So she's
100.
so she's gonna get that.
Yeah, man.
For sure.
It seems like I passed.
Is they say it? This is 65. Wow. This is what spelling bee? Wow. But that is great though. You get way above average. You get B.
First
So
word,
next time.
hibernate is the first word. Destructive, the second word.
Yeah.
And disturbed, fourth.
But at least true she made the mistake and put B when it should be D. So that's why. Yes. So this may.
Spell out the word I'm Friday she spell them good so.
Yeah.
I'm
Nervous, but she done well though. You done great though. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, you done wonderful job. Trust
I hope
me.
I get a higher one like this.
You will get a higher one. Because I know you work hard to get a higher one, right?
Yeah.
Well, I got some money for you, for Christmas, Christmas that passed,
Oh, Christmas when we were giving all free stuff to those
Yeah, that was
people.
before. That was before. So I went away and I brought back some donation for you and your daddy and your sister. Okay? So here, I got $50 here for you. Yeah.
What does $50 give back on a Jamaican money?
You get like $7,000.
Oh, good.
So here's $50 here for you from Country. His name is Country.
Wow.
He
Nice name.
Nice name.
You sound just like all the countries.
So this is Country from Bronx. You live in the Bronx.
Thank you. You
Bronx.
must have a wonderful day in that country. America, foreign?
Yeah, America. He's in New York, White Plains Road.
I love going to America and New York. It's fun.
You love going there or you want to go there?
I want to go there.
Oh, you want to go there?
But it's too expensive to go.
One day you will go. Alright? Yeah. If you try 4 times, but don't give up. Yeah, don't give up. Well, you think you can't give up? Probably you and them are going to go together. Yes. So Father for the year, I also have donation as well to here for you. $50 as well from Robert Tavares himself. Robert Tavares, $50 there for you.
Robert Tavares, why give thanks, you see? For the Christmas, why I solve my problem in the new year, you see? So, blessed and respect for your business still, you see?
Yeah.
Why it's a grateful thing towards where you're looking right and I tell you truth, you see?
Yeah.
Love it, see? So, I want a new year still, you see?
Yeah.
I want a full time for yourself still, you see? Blessed.
And we also have $30 as well too from Our Love from Bronx. His name is Our Love. $30 there for you.
Our Love.
Yeah.
Blessed. Then, manners and respect. Happy New Year still. As though the year is, but Happy New Year, so let my year be pleasant right now still.
Yeah.
And respect for you still. Merry Christmas. I get gone still, is it?
Yeah.
I have to tell you that same way, but remember the past, is it?
Alright.
So, blessed one, is it?
Yeah.
Blessed for you from right now still, is it?
I will give thanks.
Bless.
So we also have for Shanette and her sisters from Our Love as well too.
Sorry, I'm late.
So Shanette.
I didn't want to come.
So Shanette, we have, so you say Ven at the shower. And the next one she is. Alright. Okay, so alright then. So we have $30. We have $30, yeah, for the 3 of them, $10 each. So let me go ahead and give Shanette her $10 from Our Love.
You sound just like our love.
His name is Our Love.
Lovely name. I just said you.
Alright, you can tell him thank you.
For all the donation you have given me. It's what I was craving for.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, more than a lot of thank you.
Alright then.
I was just in school craving for something.
And you got something, right?
Yes.
There you go. There you go. So I also have two for Ven and another sister. It's not 20 earlier for the next two sisters from Our Love.
Ven and Lily.
Yeah.
Blessed one. Blessed Our Love. Then, respect for you still. Then,
Yeah.
she said, see the family. Then, you see the family and saw the family still. And love for you still. Then,
Yeah.
2-3 girls them still. Then,
Yes, sir. I will
I'm going to try to push it for them still. Then, the motivation from you, I'm going to more push it more harder still. Then, love and blessed peace. You know, respect.
I will also have another one here from Country as well too. $20 from Country for Ven. Yeah, so this is 20 here for Ven from Country.
Country, then I'm heartbeat, I tell you. Then I'm heartbeat, because my sister have to go by side of me.
Yeah.
Then, because she come like a 1 year, 1 year old, see. Then,
Yeah.
me talk about her and the rest of the emotions. Then, yeah man, because she, there's a problem that I find out that from Pia at 6. Never see a problem. She go to infant school, good. But when she try to get her in her age, the problem.
That's when you see it.
Yeah.
Oh.
I tell her, I cry and break down, but I forget back strong, because when I look on it, I can't make it beat me down, and she was there. You see?
Yeah.
So she motivate me more to her, out of the whole of them.
Okay, you have to do the fear, right?
You see? Yeah, because she come like a 1 year old right now, and she's 23. You see me, even when I come from, because more time me there and boy, I don't want.
Remind them remind them the problem we should have with him.
Them call it, when I go assess her, them say she emotion, but she say, I want to get the right name.
Okay.
Them say she mentally interactive.
Okay.
Means she can't reason nobody like.
Yeah.
Like when me reason and them things.
Yeah.
She will ask you something and then she,
Gone.
And she just say, So me as a father, me know but her sister.
Yeah.
And the other sister now, no time I have to get on top of her and say, you can't do that. Then,
Yeah.
look, the day so too long for you to know sister. Yeah, so.
True.
Blessed, then country and me love for you do still and the sister the family.
And Our Love.
Then and Our Love. Then, when you see the family and sister the family need it and do it. Then,
Yeah.
love for you and love for right now still. Then,
Yeah, man.
so have a happy new year. Then, blessed new year for the world and every time. Then, right through for the year, I want to know, show love same way. Then, yeah man, cause we this happy family right now. Say father for the year.
Father for the year.
Happy better for you.
Yeah. Alright then. Give thanks, my brother, man. Anything go. Alright then. So Shanette, take care, okay? Bye bye. Wow, money enough. Yeah. Alright, same. Alright guys, so we have to give thanks to Our Love and also Country, thanking for donating, to helping out the family. The next two sisters, one is overcross, her brother was studying, and Ven, she's in the shower having a shower, so we give thanks, I will thank you so much. So we're gonna head back over to the headquarters where them say worship just arrived, and so Natisha as well to give them 2 donation. Guys, so stay tuned. One China man, woof.
Yeah man, woof, dog. Carrying the dog whisper,
Yeah.
Mad.
Dog whisper.
It's all good.
Yeah man.
Alright, we're there, man.
Uncle Rat. Senior citizen. What do you mean?
Yeah man, genius man.
How we did it?
this is the chronic, this is the, you know.
You sell a stick?
Yeah, man, this is the 2 bills parcel. Yeah, man, $100.
Here stick you have, man, oh, chef, man.
5 bills parcel. So,
yeah, boil tea. But this is a pure stick.
Yeah, so I use it and make all the way.
Pure stick.
You know. It's good for your eye, you boil it.
Yeah.
You stay and cool and wash your face. Good for your eye. Yeah, man, you smell it.
Boy, I'm on the favor.
Hold up, me. Yeah, man. Wow.
Yeah, them look alike. Can you relate it?
We're good looking, see how we are. Yeah, family, man.
Talpi. Wagwan. I was ringing the phone, I don't get it. Yeah. I got $20 here for your Talpi from Arlov.
Arlov.
Yes. From Arlov from the Bronx. 20 US here for you.
Arlov from the Bronx. What if I love you now? What if I respect? I hear that. Yes. And one team, team. Yes,
Yeah, we know.
Oh, yeah, man, twice a year.
Yeah.
Hear that.
I have 20 years for years worth from Arlov.
Arlov. Only for blessing, you know.
So tell Arlov what I go on with the passport.
Arlov. Passport no come through yet, you know. See, I get this thing, yeah. You got up around here, I know what I go on, man. So, we link up in the Adam, yeah. Anytime we get that thing, yeah, you want to explode it too much, you know. So, I say, yeah, you want to explode it too much. You see? So, anytime we get that thing, I know what I go on, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because yesterday, you know.
Because them say the Panama trip, you know.
Yeah, man, 1 Panama, you know, and 2, you know.
Yeah.
You see, you know, 2 New York, twice.
Yeah.
Let's ask Esther.
About explode the thing. That's 20 US there from Arlov.
Arlov, 20 US. Right now, yesterday I make changes, come on, bus fare, you know.
Yes, just that save for your Panama trip.
Alright. Plus 20 this, you know. You hear that? So, this is my brother beg her change it no more. You look bus fare, you know.
Keep it here, man. Keep it.
Keep it, no pocket piece, man. Yeah, man. Keep it, man. Yeah, man, say now come on, I can go, man. Yeah, man, anytime that thing that come up, I don't know where I go on, man. So I say, yeah, man, so I say, you see, so what's our next one, man? I hold $1.
Yes, everyone see it there.
Put them down, you know.
Yeah. Alright, Natish. For us, I have $20 worth here for you from Arlov, you know, from the Bronx. $20 here for you. Arlov.
Enough love and respect. Big up yourself. Me a full basket never run dry.
And we also have Tavares, Robert Tavares as well to $50 US here for you. From Robert Tavares from upstate New York.
Robert Tavares, upstate New York. Big up yourself and bless up. Me a full basket never run dry. Big up and bless up yourself. One love.
Don't move. And you have a door in name Cry. Why I want if I cry over you? Yeah, if him cry, I want if I cry, I cry over you. You know, but him saying 50 US for you. I hope him don't cry. This is Cry, you know.
Cry, big up yourself, you know. Blessed love, respect. Your food basket never run dry.
So if you go and cry some more.
Go and cry till you see me.
Yeah.
You're not gonna cry for long. Just go and cry.
Yeah. Alright then. So we'll give thanks. So hopefully soon, you know, the barrel will reach very soon. You know, soon and soon the barrel will be there right at foot. Well, Jenna, you fly out. Yeah. Jenna fly out. Yeah, man. So you know the barrel will be there very soon.
Yeah.
We have a whole heap of shoes there. How are your size again?
No size now.
Enough size. What the original size?
8.5.
8.5. Yeah, man. 8.5 there too. Talpi, how are your size again? 9. Yeah, man. 9 supposed to there too. How are size, Barney? How are your size?
9 here, man.
9 supposed to there. Natisha? 8.5 supposed to there. Boom, how size again? 8. Jackson. 30. Yeah, worship for one size fit on. Him have some Panama shirt in there too for him got Panama in him shirt and clothes and thing and nah like Christmas come again once them borrow the land. You know. That's how you go man, you know that's how when we do good, Christmas now gonna stop come. Christmas follow away everywhere we go. So more and more you do good and the more Christmas will follow. Right? The more Christmas will follow. Yeah man, so give thanks and big up yourself. Love, you know. Cry. Now teacher said don't cry no more. She said please don't cry no more. Anonymous, you know the thing. So pick up to each and every one over there. As I'm saying, I can't stop big up Cooler Runnings. The one healthy restaurant over there. Corey's Eat. You know, big up yourself, Corey's a my little friend. Young Corey, how you doing? Sandra and the whole team, you know. Sunrise team, you know, it's the only real team. Because them and the dream team are the one team. With the Sunrise team. One chunks. You know. So yes guys, you know everything goes already over there on the journey. And we're not gonna stop, we're gonna continue. Oh, it's a drive down, a baby, and a baby. Baby, mine, you know. Mine, my toe. My youth. I the face now, put face far side.
You know that?
Yeah?
You know that?
Yeah, no, not no man. Yeah, man, nothing. This is the richest youth in Trenchtown right here. Him have asset, him have cassette, him have DVD. Where my baby? Him not see where I go on. Alright, put it on. Baby, I drive and see where I go on. Yeah, watch him like him reversing in the car though. Oh, I'm gone now. I'm see my reverse and maybe I look and say, yo, what a driver, you reverse so. Oh, the man of the most asset, cassette, DVD, everything here in Trenchtown. Richest youth. Right up beside me, the most rich. Right? Alright. Whoa, what size are you again?
What size?
Them say your size, one size fit all?
Yeah man, one size fit all, you know. Yeah man. You see that one size fit all, you know.
It's a one size fit so size 9, size 9.5, size 10.
That's a 10.
Yeah.
I go to 10. Yeah. 10 me I go with you now.
Alright.
Yeah,
something 9.5.
9.5. I put a buckle in it, make it stay overnight and stretch it. You see me I say? Yeah,
say no fold the 2 again anymore. You don't fold 2 anymore.
No more, you know. Just give me the 10 and done, man.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, man, just stretch it and done. Stretch your feet. Just give me the 10. Yeah, man. Right, you know.
Well, I think a 9.5 there still.
9.5?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to put a buckle in it till the morning and make it stretch it, you know. Yeah, man, you see it? I look a rum.
Yeah.
Yeah, but.
What, rum stretch it?
10, the right.
First me hear that one. Rum stretch shoes.
Bone,
I got bone it up, man.
10 on the right thing, man. You see me I say?
The right thing. Panama.
No, Panama. I was seeing my soon in Panama.
Yeah.
You hear that?
One step closer to New York.
So, you know, Panama. I said, I'm going to see me in Panama. Wallipa. Whoa, Mexico. My God, I got Mexico. What? Yeah, man, Cancun, Mexico. Sent up there, Mexico and Panama.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, Jamaica, no worry.
Yeah, guys, so you know everything goes already, so you know everything goes. So we're here, you know, to give thanks, blessed love, dream team, one team. So you know everything goes. So stay tuned. Here in general. So Skylar. Come, Skellian.
Yeah, because
want to?
Yes, go over.
Nah, go over, man. Hello, Skylar.
Hi.
I almost say, I know. What's Skylar? Our next mother or whatsoever? What? Alright, Skylar. I got a donation here for you. A long time I don't see him. You stop drop off a bike. Yeah, this man drop off a bike so many times. I was Kiosha. Kiosha, what happened? Yeah. Yeah, the man drop off. So, alright, Skylar. We got 50 US here for you. from Elsa. You know, Auntie Elsa. Elsie. So this is 50 US here for you. See.
Thank you, Auntie Elsa, and I wish you many more.
So Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Okay. So we are shy up for you, not so shy. Just act like the camera is not here.
Yeah, polite.
You know?
Polite, man.
Alright, then take care. Come. Is it fear? Alright. Come. Mommy, tell Miss Elsa thank you.
Thank you, Auntie Elsa. And Kiki said it's not fair.
Super Kiki over there. So Kiki there. Kiki says it's not fair. Why it's not fair? She want money too. So that's Skylar's sister. And she says it's not fair, Elsa. You know, because Skylar get her and she down. What's your pose?
Attitude.
Baby, come look what I'm going to run us, baby.
I look and she afraid of she.
What's your? Sir. She says it's not fair. Alright, come here, give you then. Come. Me, I'll give you. Come.
I'm going to tip you.
Come here, I'll tip you. Come. Come and tip you.
It's not fair, Zuri. Yeah, look there.
Here.
Come here.
Good.
Go run and talk to you.
How you run go? Me I give you a run.
Thank you, Uncle Tina. Take care of
So, you talk so loud a while ago, say it's not fair.
Thank you, Uncle Tina.
Thank you, Uncle Tina.
Okay, is it fair now?
Is it fair for you to get the money now?
It's not fair. Alright then, later, okay?
Bye-bye.
Baby. Okay. Sing up.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.